Installing a front interposer card. Install the front OCP interposer card onto the front OCP cage. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the front OCP interposer card. Connect the cables to the OCP interposer card. Push the OCP module into the slot until it is fully seated, and then tighten the thumb screw to secure the OCP module. Install the Riser 5 assembly on the front OCP assembly. Insert the Riser 5 assembly into the front chassis. And then install the 2 screws to secure it. Connect the cables to the system board assembly and the rear OCP interposer card. Install the fan cage and system fans. Reinstall the air baffle. Install the Riser 1 assembly. Install the top cover.